Okay, so hopefully you've managed to remove the contents of your candle from your pot. I haven't done a brilliant job at this one, but let's pretend that it's perfect. And now I need to know the volume of this jar. Now, there's lots of videos explaining how you can do it really technically to make sure that you don't have a drop of waste. But here in the workshops, we don't really mind if you just do it the good old-fashioned way and figure out the volume with water and then letting us know what that is. All right, so just take the jar that you'd like to use and then just fill it, not all the way to the top, but imagining just like it is when you buy it as a candle, that it's about 1 centimetre down from the bottom, and then that should be what amount of wax that you're going to need. So then you just take that and then just pour that into a measuring jug like so, and then let's have a little look. So it's just over 250 ml. So if I maybe write myself a little post-it note so I don't forget what volumes needed. It's often quite a surprise volume, and you might think that it looks quite small, but it's often quite a surprise. We're generally looking at jars for the classes that are no more than like 400 ml, and that'll be for your big one, and then you can have a couple of small ones which are about this sort of size, about 200, 250. So just keep that in mind when you're checking the volume. All right, look forward to making candles with you. Bye.